I have a great video for you today. This is probably my best pour yet that I really love. I wasn't really disappointed. I'm going to show you step by step everything that I did. There's a lot of problems people run into with pours, and I've kind of figured out a couple of those things. And the one part right here is this is like has a little bit of silver in it. It's a little bit hard to tell. And so a lot of the times people get like the bumpy white around the edges, and I did too, or especially when I was starting out. But the trick is that you have to do the pour, put enough paint on it. Right here is really close. It's probably, a little more could have been better, but I saved it with a little corner cardboard. And don't touch it. This all has to be poured and moved to its spot. And you'll see, normally I don't even use torches on my paint pouring, but I noticed these bubbles coming out. And so I did end up using. So here I am using the torch real quick. And if you could see in the lower right hand corner, there's like, it's just a blob. And I picked that corner to be it because I knew ahead of time how I was going to be pouring this and moving it, and it was going to be corner to corner. And so the next step would be getting enough paint on it, right here even, to fill up your whole canvas. And if it's a nice, what I call a big floating blob, then that is really what you need. And I know a lot of people feel like they're already using a lot of paint, but mine really didn't get better until I really had that big blob of floating paint. And then you'll see, I'll let you enjoy the video. And any questions, just ask in the comments.